Taking a quick look at restoration hardware on the daily chart, before I dissect this particular portion, I like to look at the history of this chart the last couple of months and see if there are some repeatable patterns. Looking at these pullbacks, how much did it pull back over here? This one pulled back $82.54. This one $79.80. Looking at that fourth number on the hover over here we got it $83.12. And over here we have a pullback of $80.77. So these four pullbacks are very similar. Now looking at this area right here on the hourly chart, we're getting up above, still staying up above that 200 moving average. I like to see there are some pullbacks that are smaller. For example, ones like this. This pullback is $42.10. Over here, $39.20. I'm going to measure the pullback over here real quick. This pullback right here is $41.45. I'm going to use my Fibonacci extensions, clicking from that pivot high to pivot low, extending to that new recent high over here as well. I'm going to click from that pivot high, pivot low, extending to that pivot high. Next, I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracements, pulling from that pivot low to pivot high, to see if any areas will match up with the symmetry support work that I just did. We do have a 50%. That brings us right back down to around 690 and some change. What we're looking for next is price being held up by this potential area of support. If price starts to slice through this area, there's nothing to be done on this chart. On the 15-minute time frame, I'm waiting for price to bounce out of this area with the 8 crossing against the 34 moving average to the upside. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button, trying to get to 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.